Let's learn more.
Let's learn more.
Let's learn more with Liberty.
Whether you're a star athlete in Little League or on the playground, teamwork is the key to success. Maybe you're the fastest runner, but your friend might have the best throwing arm. Working together means that you can do more than what you could do alone. By working together, you can achieve more than you could on your own. During the Revolutionary War, the 13 colonies had to work together to win their independence from Great Britain. Each state had its own soldiers and government. By combining their forces, they were able to fight against the British and succeed. It was a team effort. America did not secure independence on her own. Our founding fathers forged an important alliance with the King of France, who provided soldiers and supplies. Without France's support, victory in the war for independence against Britain would have been unlikely. It was truly a team effort. When we won our independence, we had to figure out how to govern ourselves best. Under the Articles of Confederation, our first government did not work very well because the 13 states did not try to work together. Our founding fathers held a special meeting to make a new system of government called the Constitutional Convention. Everyone had to agree on the final constitution, but everyone had different ideas, and not everyone agreed with each other. George Washington acted like a team leader. He listened to disagreements and worked to find solutions that would benefit both sides. He didn't play favorites or allow his own ideas to interfere with what was best for the country. In the end, all 13 states ratified or approved the Constitution as the supreme law of the land. That is why it starts with "we the people," as it says that everyone agreed to work together to create the United States. If the states hadn't come together despite their differences, and if Washington hadn't helped resolve those disagreements, America as we know it wouldn't exist today. But because they united and worked as a team, they built the greatest nation in the world. After 2 terms as president, George Washington decided not to seek another term. In his farewell address to the nation, he reminded everyone that America needed to stay united. But being united doesn't necessarily mean agreeing with each other on everything. Washington said that although America was large and each region differed from one another, they always would have one thing in common. They were all Americans. He reminded everyone of how hard it was to fight in the American Revolution, saying, "You have in common cause fought and triumphed together." To George Washington, remaining united as a people was how our country would remain independent and strong. That's the power of teamwork.